Did you know the Toyota Highlander has quietly become one of the most trusted family SUVs on the road? And for 2026, Toyota has taken a big step forward by making all-wheel drive standard across every model. No more guessing, no more upgrade fees. AWD is now built in. Today, we're taking a deep look at the 2026 Toyota Highlander. What's new, what's improved, whether it's worth the price, and most importantly, whether it's the right SUV for you. Let's start with the design. The 2026 model keeps Toyota's signature clean, modern styling, but adds a more refined front fascia, sharper LED lighting, and a slightly more aggressive stance. It's not a radical redesign, but it feels more premium and more confident than before. On the road, it genuinely looks upscale. Under the hood, you get two familiar options. First, the 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, making around 265 horsepower and strong low-end torque. It's smooth, quiet, and more fuel-efficient than the old V6. And if you want maximum efficiency, the hybrid model gives you a 2.5-liter engine paired with electric motors for a combined 243 horsepower and impressive mileage, up to the mid-30s in MPG. For everyday drivers and families, this is one of the Highlander's biggest strengths. It's powerful enough, but extremely economical. And with towing capability up to 5,000 pounds, it easily handles small trailers, boats, or weekend adventure gear. Inside is where the 2026 Highlander really shines. Toyota has refined the cabin with softer materials, ambient lighting, and a more premium feel from the moment you open the door. The standard 8-inch screen works well, but the optional 12.3-inch display transforms the dashboard into a modern command center. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and Toyota's digital gauge cluster adds an upscale touch. Seating is flexible too. You can configure it for 7 passengers with captain's chairs or for 8 with a bench seat. The second row is spacious and comfortable, though the third row is still best for kids or short trips. This isn't a full-size SUV, so if you need a huge third row, the Grand Highlander or Sequoia may suit you better. Cargo space is practical and well-designed. With all seats folded down, you get more than 84 cubic feet of room, enough for big shopping trips, moving supplies, or full family road trip luggage. Safety continues to be one of the Highlander's strongest selling points. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus is standard, giving you automatic emergency braking, lane tracing assist, dynamic cruise control, road sign detection, and much more. Higher trims also include a bird's-eye 360-degree camera system, front and rear parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring. Now, let's talk price. Since Toyota removed the old entry-level trim, the new starting point is higher. The 2026 Highlander XLE begins around the mid-$40,000 range, and the fully loaded Platinum trim can climb into the mid-$50,000. So yes, the price has gone up, but Toyota compensates with more standard features, standard AWD, and a more refined interior. So is the 2026 Toyota Highlander worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, safe, comfortable, and fuel-efficient family SUV, the Highlander continues to be a top contender. It's not the biggest in the class, and it doesn't try to be. Instead, it focuses on practicality, value, and everyday usefulness. And that's why so many people buy it. The 2026 model takes a trusted formula and makes it better. More standard capability, better tech, more refinement, and the same Toyota dependability. If you want a smart, worry-free SUV that will last for years, the 2026 Highlander is absolutely worth a test drive.